Good morning, good morning, good morning, my friends. Hey, this is Rosa. Hopefully your favorite real estate broker. So this morning I figured I would do a tour with you. Now the tour is a commercial property, right? And this commercial property, it consists of a pretty good size office space that could be used as a meeting room, right? It does have two separate rooms for offices as well. And then also it has a full bath on the upper level. And then on the lower level, you actually have 3 docks, right? And with 3 garage doors. So I'm going to show you that. This is a commercial property here in Windham, Connecticut. Then it also consists of a local property here in Windham, Connecticut. Then it also consists of a large garage. You could probably fit 2 cars in there, and then it also has an extra storage space loft. And then it also also includes a strip of land. So this is technically 3 different deeds. Residential / commercial property, and it's along the Natchog River. So I thought that this would be a great opportunity for you to see some commercial property here in Connecticut. Maybe there's an opportunity that you're looking to grow your properties, right? You want to be able to get into the commercial game. Maybe you have some ideas in order to grow your business. So I thought that this would be a great opportunity for you. This spot, it does get an excellent amount of traffic. It is basically out on a little bit of the outskirts of downtown, but it's still kind of close to the highways and to the major state routes. So I think that it would work out great for you. So let me do a little flip of the camera, my friends, and we are going to get started on our wonderful tour. All right. So first of all, here is the exterior of the building. You can see that it's concrete masonry block, right? Very simple, very easy to maintain. And what's excellent about it is that you have tons and tons and tons of parking space here. And just kind of showing you the street here, you can see it's very, very busy, right? It's actually across from schools. Right, it's in an area where there are businesses, there are multifamily properties, and you have exposure not only, right, but you're also getting a corner lot, right? Look at how nice having that corner lot is. Hey Cherry, hey Gapes, hey Lizard, thank you so much for joining us. Right, it's right on the corner of Bricktop Road, which is actually considered to be Route 14 and Union Ave here. Hey, Christopher, Madriana, Jeff, thank you so much for joining us. Right, and so here's the main building with plenty of parking in the front. You know, we said that it's probably about 8 parking spaces here in the front. Hey, Scott, Agnes, thank you so much for joining us. Okay, and then to the side of this building, 3 garage doors with a loading dock, and you can see it's in excellent condition, right? So like I was telling you, this commercial space is actually made up of 3 different parcels, right? So this first parcel, hey Poppy, Annie, user 834, thank you so much for joining us. Kevin, thank you so much for joining us. This first parcel, which is really pretty much the main one, okay? This is where you have about 1,000 square feet on the upper level, and then probably about 600 square feet on the lower level, right? And then the second parcel is technically that garage, right? And then the second parcel is technically that garage, which I'm going to show you that. And the third parcel is this land right here. So are there opportunities to possibly build a home, build another business, build a little lot? Maybe you can do a space of a garage that's in excellent condition in a very, very busy area. Now, one of the things that I want to show you, which I think is absolutely beautiful. I've been over here a couple of times, right? And almost on this bridge, I mean, okay, we're going to do a tour of that building on the inside in a few minutes. But I thought it would be nice just to kind of show you the Natchog River. Hey, Tony Iommi, Captain Common, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it. Look at how relaxing, though, this water is, right? All right. And so once again, here's the garage that we're going to go in right now, and here's the boundaries of your property right up to the edge of the road. And you can see here all this land. If you were to purchase all 3 parcels, all this land would be included. Hey, Element, Amy, thank you so much for joining us. Now, this garage is pretty darn cool, and the reason why I say is because you have just enough room for cars. So we're going to go in there right now. David, thank you so much for joining us. All right, we're going to go in here right now and take a look at it. They have done some structural on it. So, as far as the structure goes, it's in pretty good condition, right? It has a nice concrete floor. Right, so as you can see here, currently they have a car in here, right? And in this particular area, it's almost about, in a story and a half high. Okay, so you definitely have high ceilings, nice concrete flooring, and take a look at that electric. When you talk about 200 amps and a large, there is the loft, right? So the roof, as far as I can see, is in excellent condition. And then there is the loft, right? And you can see there has been some structural work done here. No major problems. Hey, JD, Mackenzie, thank you so much for joining us. All right. And so here is the garage that's part of the property, right? Part of the 3 parcels. There are possibly some opportunities to buy each lot separately, but of course you're probably going to pay more. It is not the owner's first choice. He would basically like to just move on with his life and not have to worry about that. But there are possible options to buy each one separately, or to buy all 3 of them together and definitely get yourself a discount. So what we're going to do now, and you can see there the river behind the garage here, right? Hey, Elton. Hey, Mercury. Thank you so much for joining us. Definitely appreciate any likes or shares you have. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a tour inside this property. So if you're just joining us, because we are here live, what we are doing is we're doing a tour of this commercial property here in Windham, Connecticut. Okay, it's technically made up of 3 different parcels. Okay, and it is on a very busy state route 14. It's just outside the downtown area of Windham. The commercial property specifically, as you can see, has about 1,100 square feet upstairs and about the same downstairs, maybe a little bit less. But it does have 3 garage doors with 1 loading dock. And what's nice about it is that you do have corner exposure. So if you're looking to be able to get that exposure, you see there's a truck going by right there. You're able to get a lot of people to see your property quick, simple, and easy. It could be used as a little supply house if you're an electrician, a plumber. Maybe it could be used as a woodworking shop. Maybe you have an oil company or a gas company and you want to be able to have a dispatch. That would be perfect as well. Again, we're going to do a tour of the interior in a moment. Hey, Lonty, Gene, Lewis, thank you so much for joining us. And again, I appreciate any likes you have. But you can see the land right here right overlooking the river. You have the garage there. You have the propane tank there. Thank you so much for all your likes. Right here is the view from the front. Okay, again, that's the Natchog River looking over things, and it's right on the corner of Route 14 and Union Ave. There's schools and parks close by. There's highways close by. There's shopping close by. Quick, simple, and easy to get to. All right, and so here, as we go on the interior of 352 Bricktop Road here in Windham, you can see that it's a very, very well kept building, right? The electrical work is in great shape. The windows are newer. The paint is great, okay? The flooring is fine. The ceiling is beautiful. Again, this is in Windham, Connecticut, Bricktop Road. Thank you so much. Yes, it is in Connecticut. And you see here's an office space here, right, with a closet. Right, very nice, great condition. Hey, Michelle, thank you so much for joining us. Again, appreciate any likes or shares that you can have for me, right? And there's the wonderful fire alarm system. You can see it's in great shape and it's been well kept, okay? And also what's nice about it is not only do you have this big meeting room area, you can use it as an office, right? You can use it as a retail shop. You can use this as a barber shop, salon, right? But we also have, another room, which is technically, it's being used as a bedroom. This is the way to get downstairs to the docks, right? There's a bed in here right now, but this could be a second office, right? This could be a second office for you. And then here is the bathroom, full bath with a stand-up shower. And as you can see, it's in excellent condition. And once again, definitely appreciating all the likes. Hey, Empesaur, really, really appreciate your likes and your sharing and so forth. All right. So what I'm going to do really quick is just once again kind of show you the opportunities here for you. Right? All right, my friends. So, hey, Empressor, really appreciating your likes. So, thank you so much for joining me on the tour. Once again, this is a 3-parcel property for sale on Bricktop Road in Windham, Connecticut. It is listed for $320,000. Each parcel can be sold separately, but it's not their first choice. In fact, we're giving you a great deal by having not only the commercial property with 3 garage doors, but also having the big barn, the big garage that you saw out there, having that separate parcel of land. Hey, Jamone, hey, Johnny, Karen, thank you so much for joining us. And also having that separate parcel of land near the river. So that's my real estate commercial tour for today with you. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day, right? God bless you. And this is Rob Rosa, hopefully your favorite real estate broker, signing out, my friends. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.